Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings, and here we have to go to the very top of the list and tap on About Phone. As you can see here, we've got EMUI version, so all you have to do is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer now. So keep tapping. And as you can see, now we are in a developer mode, so we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the animator duration scale, we can show layout bounds, pointer location, or show visual feedback for tabs. In order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, I hope so, it is immediately activated and applied. Of course, if you want to turn it off, just go back to the option and tap on the switcher again. If you can see the option without the switcher, for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced options. Okay, so if you are done with customization of developer options, just go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher to turn them off. As you can see, they are not active anymore. Let's get back. They are still visible here, but after getting back again to the settings and entering additional settings, you can see that developer options simply disappears. But no worries, if you would like to customize and personalize them again, just go back to the EMUI versions tab and keep tapping on it. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Xiaomi Poco C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.